Good evening and welcome to Bizworld. 130 private organizations and government agencies will be attending a 2023 budget dialogue in Putrajaya on Tuesday. First Deputy Finance Minister Datuk Sri Ahmad Mazlan said the dialogue is part of the government's efforts to hear views on the ground on what should be in this year's budget.
Menteri Kewangan akan mendengar pandangan-pandangan setiap organisasi yang terlibat boleh bercakap 3 hingga 5 minit di hadapan Menteri Kewangan sendiri. Dan bajet dialog itu daripada pukul 8 suku pagi sampailah ke tengah hari di Kementerian Kewangan. Selain daripada itu, KSU kementerian semuanya juga dijemput.
He was met at the soft launch of Restu Global's Quranic Arts Festival, which will be held in Precinct 14 in Putrajaya. The 2023 budget will be presented on February 24th at the Dewan Rakyat. Malaysia Digital Economy Corporation, MDEC, is looking to revise upwards its target of 49 billion ringgit digital investments by 2025. This after it has achieved 42 billion ringgit in digital investments last year alone, driven by data centers.
And the year before that is also quite high. So, which is why now, should we relook at this and say that we can be a bit more, ambitious in terms of the numbers lah. So what Tan Sri Anwar Musa said is correct. Overall target 70 billion for My Digital Blueprint, correct. In terms of the balance, 49 billion between 2023 until 2025 is also correct as well.
He added besides data centers, the agency is planning to accelerate digital investments in other areas, including blockchain and artificial intelligence. He also stressed that MDEC remained optimistic on the digital investments despite a projected moderate economic growth this year. Malaysia's economic growth is projected to be slower this year compared to 2022. HSBC Group, however, stressed that the growth projection of 4% is still a very robust rate.
Leaves really us with a fairly positive outlook for Malaysia, even if the growth slows to around 4%. Malaysia might have an outperformance on the trade. Trade may contract, but not as much as its trading partner. And this is kind of a sign that they're tapping into new production capacity because they're winning these supply chains.
He also reckoned that Malaysia would be one of the key beneficiaries of the supply chain across Asia, with extraordinarily high amounts of FDI continuing to pour into the economy. Bank Negara is expected to raise the benchmark interest rate to 3.5% in the second quarter to keep on top of some of the lingering price pressures that are still coming. Foreign investors started off the second week of 2023 on a negative note, selling off 46.8 million ringgit of Malaysian equities. MIDF research noted that foreign investors continued with progressive net selling at 4.7 million, 12 million and 73.3 million ringgit of equities from Monday to Wednesday, before gradually turning to net buyers at 2.3 million and 40.9 million ringgit on Thursday and Friday. However, on a year-to-date basis, foreign investors recorded net inflows of 25.6 million ringgit. The top 3 sectors which saw net inflows by foreign investors last week were industrial products and services, technology and healthcare. RHB Investment Bank Research believes the semiconductor market will remain stagnant in the first half of 2023 as inventory correction takes place amid demand uncertainty. It said the non-semiconductor counters should see relatively brighter prospects given the domestic-focused business and full reopening of borders. It also highlighted that overall guidance from chip-related companies is less bullish for the near term, clouded by the worsening macroeconomic outlook and low consumer confidence. The main challenges are labour and material shortages, demand uncertainties and geopolitical tensions. And that's it for Bizworld today. I'm Raymond Go. Keep tuning in to TV3.